The topic of today's video is how to check game version on Steam. So Steam doesn't have an actual way to check your game version. You can check the build number, but it's not the same thing. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Steam library, and let's just say the game is Middle-earth. So we're going to go to settings, then we're going to go to manage and browse local files. This is if you don't know where your game file actually is. This is the easiest way. Find the game exe and right click on it. And then we want to go to properties, details, and here in details you can find the product version, and that will be the game version. Alternatively, you can go into the actual game, and usually there'll be a bold number on the bottom right of the screen, though Shadow of Mordor I don't actually see one of those. But for games like Baldur's Gate 3, for instance, they will have a bold number. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.